Hazrat Amir bin Saad radiyallahu anhu reports that his father said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam bestowed some wealth upon some people, and I was also sitting with them. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam left a person and gave him no wealth, whereas he was my favorite among them all. I got up and went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and requested quietly, "What is wrong with that person, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Whereas I, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, consider him a believer." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Or a Muslim." I remained quiet for some time. Then an unknown stimulation overcame me, so I again said, "What is the matter with that person, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Whereas I, by Allah, consider him a believer." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Or a Muslim." I remained silent for a while. Then an unknown feeling overpowered me, and I said, "What is wrong with that person, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Whereas by Allah, I regard him a believer." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Or a Muslim." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I give a person a wealth, whereas the other one is dearer to me than him, for this fear lest he should fall face down in hell." Ismail bin Muhammad reports that he heard his father narrating this hadith, who said, "So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck my back with his hand and joined them both hands between my neck and shoulder and said, 'O Saad, come forward. I give a man wealth.'" Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said, "Fakub kebu" means thrown upside down. Mukibban is derived from akabbar rujal. When its action does not pass to other, it means it is intransitive. When its action passes to other, transitive. It is said, "Kabbahullahu liwajhihi wa kababtuhu." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1478.